profile. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, owns and operates 5 integrated steel plants at Bhilai, Rourkela, Durgapur, Bokaro and Burnpur, and 3 special steel plants at Salem, Durgapur and Bhadravati. SAIL also owns a ferroalloy plant at Chandrapur. SAIL is a central public sector company among the 7 Maharashtra companies with a total capacity of 21 million ton per annum. SAIL is the 3rd largest steel maker in India. Share price metrics. SAIL has a market cap of 50,387 crore. Steel companies continue to reap benefits on the back of higher steel prices and healthy demand. The steel sector share prices have been outperforming. SAIL share price has also gone by 250% up during the last 1 year. Its shares are currently quoting at 124 rupees. The company's EPS is 31 rupee 18 pies. The current market price of stock discounts the EPS by a modest 3.91 times. The company's share quote at a lower PE multiple of 3.91 times compared to steel average industry PE multiple of 8 times. The yearly low and high price range of SAIL share is 34 rupees and 151 rupees. Current stock price of 124 rupees quotes at 1 time of book value and 0.7 times of sales. The company has reduced its debt considerably during last 2 years. The financial parameters of SAIL are sound. SAIL has a sound operating profit margin of 18.47% in FY 2021. Return on equity is good at 9.03%. Return on capacity employed, return on capital employed is also okay at 6.55%. Dividend yield is near about 3%. Book value per share is 128 rupees. Financials. SAIL profit and loss account. Peer comparison. Investment rationale. SAIL's Q1 FY 2022 result was ahead of street expectations. EBITDA and PAT was 19% by 22% higher than street forecast. Its EBITDA and turn jumped to 19,728 rupees as blended increased realization 51% YoY to 62,045 rupees ton. Overall, EBITDA increased to 66 billion compared to EBITDA loss of 4 billion in Q1 FY 2021 by SAIL shares. Current price 124 rupees. Target price 183 rupees. 50% upside.